Hi everybody, today we're going to take a look at the new Bright Scorpion RC Pro. Let's see here. So it says here it has a pistol grip transmitter. It has a 12.8 volt lithium ion battery. Here it is on this side. And here it comes complete with the charger, so it should be ready to run right out of the box. It looks pretty cool. Let's see here. It has increased speed and power. It has all-wheel spring suspension. And let's see here. It has an ultralight body, full function radio control, front wheel alignment, 4-band auto pairing. So 4 of these cars can run at the same time without interfering with each other. And digital proportional throttle. On the car itself, it's showing here that it has some kind of light here or indicator showing when the motor is overheating. You stop playing with it for a while to let it cool down. Let's take a look here. On the back, showing the car, saying more of the same. And it has 4 different frequencies: 909 megahertz, 913, 917, and 921. Okay, let's take a look inside. Styrofoam package just cracked and disintegrated as I'm trying to pull this out. So prepare to vacuum that mess. And let's see here. There's the battery pack. Well taped in, 12.8 volts. It's 500 mAh. Comes with some instructions here. Oh, comes with extra body clips. So that's always handy. And here's the car. Let's see if we can move it. No. And this is stuck. And that's stuck. Let's see, let's hold all this stuff together. I've got these clippy things. Unscrew those. There's 2. So the cover came off on its own. Here's the controller. Here's the charger. And it comes with 2 AA's for the controller. Oh, great. So now there's a whole bunch of styrofoam bits all over the place. So here's the car. Here's where the battery pack goes. Here's a light indicator here. It's blinking because it wants to pair with the controller. And here is the controller. And the batteries go where? Oh, here it is. This door right here. Okay. So it has a little bit of instructions here, and it says vehicle is not responding. Place fresh batteries in the transmitter. Place the transmitter within 1 foot of vehicle. Press any of the band select buttons on the transmitter until the front wheels shake on the vehicle. Alright, so let's try number 1. So this light's blinking over here, or it was blinking. Come on, anytime now. Okay, there we go. It's paired. The front wheels are shaking back and forth. And it has some battery power. Very cool. Alright. Very nice. So it has a nicely painted body. It has the full suspension, front independent suspension, rear solid axle, the suspension, the tires. They're kind of on the hard side, but they're pretty rubbery, and hopefully I'll be able to get some footage of this running outside. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.